Guys, this is a short training video for Project 122. We're on a deadline now. We missed the deadline. So to help everyone understand, if you see the blue line, ito, yung blue line na yan, pag nakita nyo, ibig sabihin yan parcel or property line. So boundary ng lot. Minsan sablay yan, pero malimit, tama naman. Yung mga ganito, yan, yung mga building, nasa isang parcel lang naman sila. Normally, join na yan, dapat naka-merge yan. So, kung titignan ko siya, isang buo lang naman siya. So, no need to split them. Just merge them. Tapos, yung mga ganito, look closely. Baka ground na yung nililabel nyo. Okay. Tapos dito, yan. Tapos check nyo lagi kung sosobra kayo doon sa parcel. Kasi minsan nakukuha na natin yung kabila nang hindi natin namamalayan. So always check the parcel, guys, when splitting and merging. Okay? So when splitting and merging, check the parcel, check the map, the image, kung tama yung pagkakasplit. And check din kung ground siya o hindi. Kasi nakakalito yung mga fence. This is a fence. Ito, fence line yan. That's a fence line. So, akala natin buo yan, building, may building. Yung pala, flat lang siya. Pag tinignan ko ng malayo, ground lang pala siya. Okay? So, always look closely, guys, and base it on the shadows. Baka kasi ground na yung nakaka-capture nyo, mali-mali na yung gawa. That's why we have a lot of errors. Yan, nakikita ko puro errors. Draw as one building, ground, yan. So, draw as one, then cut. So, ibig sabihin, you should have drawn this as one. So, pag ginawa siya, or what you can do, pag ni-repair mo yan, pwede mong idikit na lang dito. Yan. Okay? Tapos, yan, make sure hindi natin nakaka-capture yung ground. Kasi yung ground normally naman, iba ng shade, tapos base it on the shadow. So ito walang shadow, dito may shadow. So ibig sabihin, flat area to, ito mataas. Ayan, pag nag-zoom out ako, ground, bubong. Ground, tapos may bubong doon. Shed. Ayan. Okay? So ganun din. Always check the shadows. Basis natin, guys, shadow. Ayan. Okay. So yun, so always check the parcel. Baka kasi sumusobra na kayo sa parcel, nakukuha nyo na yung kabila. And ito mga ganito, normally one building lang to. Ito, ground. So delete yan. And this is a ground, this is a building. Zoom out. Zoom in. So dapat naka-merge to. Okay? So, I hope clear to. And iwasan yung mga ganito. Yan, iwasan to. Okay. So, malamang sa malamang diretso yan. So, dapat ang shape nito. So, the shape of this building could have been like, ito siya. Ayan siya. Shadow lang to kasi mas mataas dun sa side na yan. Pero may bubong yan sa side na yan. Okay, halos lahat naman ng building dito square or rectangle. So, hindi na masyado, wala na dito yung mga halos zigzag na shape na building and so on. Okay, pag isang parcel, again, normally, isang building yan. Okay, pag nag-split, refer to parcel. Yan, yung blue line. Okay?